Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do equal course path load balancing in EIGRP. When you're checking my topology, you can see it's a little bit big topology. Don't worry, we will finish it in time. So let's get started. I'm just powering up all the routers now, and let's get started. So on R1 I am going to do the configuration now. Just put the host name here, name R1, and I am going to define the interfaces. It will be in order. Interface G0 bar 0, it will be towards R2, so it will be 12, 12, 12, 1. I have created all the interfaces right now on R1. So let's see the status of the interfaces. You can see that all the interfaces are up now. 110, 110 is going, okay, there is no R10, sorry. So there is no need of kick 0 bar 8. So I'll just default the interface. Default interface command will default the interface to its default value. It will not unset, state will not have any change. Only thing is whatever configuration is under the interface will be removed. So now on R10 I have to do the same. Okay. First name R10, interface G0 bar 0, IP address will be towards 2, so its IP address will be, so the thing here is like I'll be using a different IP addressing scheme here, because if I use 10 along with 2, sometimes I will not be able to give a proper IP addressing, so I'll be using naming with the name of routers on the middle first, and then I'll be using 1 instead of 10 for the R10. So IP addressing will be, so the first router is R2, so my IP addressing will be 21.21.21.10 255.255.255.0. I'll enter the interface. IP address will be 31.31.31.10 55.55.55.0. G0.2 IP address 41.41.41.10, so 55.55.55.0. Okay, G0.3 IP address will be 51.51.51.10 55.55.55.0. G0.4 IP address will be 61.61.61.10. G0.5 IP address will be 71.71.71.10. So you can see that I have configured all the interfaces on R1 and R10. Now I'm going to configure the same on R2 to R9. Okay, I'll be configuring EIGRP on R10 as well. Okay, on R2 I'll be configuring EIGRP now. So let's continue with the configuration on R3. R2 I think we have already done everything. Let me double check. Okay, membership is up. Membership is up only from the 10 side. Let me see. One second. Interfaces. Okay. Okay, we are not configured EIGRP on this one, but the EIGRP network. So the neighborship will come up with R2 now. So we'll configure R3 right now. First name will be R3, IP address, sorry, interface user address. That. So we have two adjacencies, one from R1 and one from R10. So R3, R. let's continue with the configuration of router R9. Put the host name first and be configuring the gigabit 0/0 IP address 19.955.55.55.55.0. Unshut the interface, same thing I have to do for the server 1 interface, whose IP address will be 91.91.91.9. Okay, unshut the interface, route the EIGRP 100 network 0000. Okay, I think now you can see that we are done with the configuration of the interfaces. So we have already seen that neighborship is, or the adjacency is established between all the routers. To verify that, I'll just check the show IP route EIGRP command. So you can see that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, every device is showing here right now. So 1 more minute, let me double check. So with R1 we can see that it's having neighborship with R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8 and R9, and R10 will be having something similar. So in addition to the interfaces which we have configured and the EIGRP neighborships which we have configured, I will add a loopback on R10 as well as R1. Interface loopback 0, IP address 10.10.10.10, 255, 255, 255, 255, and on R1 I'll configure a loopback for R1 1.1.1.1, 255, 255, 255, 255. Since we are given the default network as in the network statement, you can see that the loopback which we have created right now will be advertised into EIGRP, and we can see it in R1. So if you are checking, you can see that 10 10 10 network is there and only 4 paths are there. You know why this 4th path is there instead of like we have multiple paths? Like if you are checking the topology, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 paths are there, but only 4 paths. So if I am checking the do show IP EIGRP topology, you can again see that 8 paths are there, but only 4 are showing up. So we'll check how the protocol is behaving right now. So we will see do show IP EIGRP protocols, do show IP protocols. So in EIGRP we will see how many maximum paths are available for load balancing purpose. So here maximum path is 4. Since maximum path is 4, only 4 paths will be selected for load balancing purpose, and the rest of the path will be in the topology as a backup route. So what I am going to do in R1 is to increase the number of paths. For that I will go to router EIGRP 100. Maximum paths will be made as say 8. Let's see if any change is happening in our EIGRP or not. Do show IP EIGRP, do show IP route EIGRP, and you can see that all the 8 paths are showing up here right now. In R10 we will see what is the status of the EIGRP routes. So you can see that in R4 for the destination 1.1.1.1 only 4 paths are available. So we'll increase the path using the maximum path command. Maximum paths will be 8. We'll write the configuration. So you can see all the 8 paths are here. Do show IP route 1111. See, one more thing which I have to tell you is that this is a equal cost path load balancing, which you can easily identify using the traffic share count command. Traffic share count option within the show command. So you can see that the share count is 1. So each path is having identical share. So all the paths will be utilized in a similar manner. I hope this particular video was informative for you guys. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.